Welcome to everyone in this new video. In this video, I'll show you how to make a flower craft for home decor. You can see we have made this flower craft using polymer clay. Now I will show you the tutorial for how to color this flower craft and leaves which will be used as a home decor. So here you can see first I have colored the base of this craft using brown color. Then now I'm coloring the leaves of this craft using green color. So here greens are the dried leaves. I want to give this particular pattern to these leaves, so I have applied green color as well as the yellow, brown and white color to highlight the leaves. Then I'm coloring the flower, so the flower is white color. This flower is looking different, and after coloring a white color, I'm highlighting the petals of this flower using green color. You can see this way in this video. So green color is applied to all of these petals to highlight, and this flower is a different flower. You can make a different other type of flower also as per your choice. So all the petals should be sectioned using green color to identify different petals. And after the application of green color, little bit green color is also applied in this flower to highlight it more. Then I'm applying the purple color in this flower to highlight it more, and it is looking nice. Two color palette was used to color this flower. One is green color and another is purple color, and with these two color only we can make this flower and we can highlight this flower. You can see I am applying this purple color. So this is a craft. We can use it for the home decor. And here you can see in this particular craft, the polymer clay was used to make this craft. And here the leaves patterns are different, and along with leaves also some stem was kept. So the stem color also brown. Whatever base color you're using, you can also use the same color to the stem also. But for the leaves, I want to show the dried leaves, so the leaf is little bit different, and many other color was also used for coloring the leaves as per your choice. You can see now the flower is almost completed, where I'm applying the purple color. This way you have to apply the color, and at the end you have to highlight those flowers using white color. At the tip of the petals you have to use the white color to highlight it more. So at the last finishing, you can also apply the green color and purple color wherever you are feeling it need to be required, and also the white color. So now you can see this is ready, and we can now use this craft for home decor. This is the final look of this. Thank you very much for watching this video.